This is about Cruella and her makeup line with MAC. First of all, hey everybody, it's Chastity Elise. Back today for another video. And so I am actually filming this in my parents' bathroom right now. So I'm at their house just temporarily. I got the fire alarm or the smoke alarm. I have to get the smoke alarm. The batteries replaced. Have not done that yet. And just for the purposes, first of all, I know personally I would not want to be hearing all that beeping in the background during the video. And so I just have the door closed just for a little bit more privacy so we can like chill out and do some makeup stuff. Yay! But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. I found out that MAC, because you know on Instagram, there's always these advertisements, whether it's about clothes, makeup, whatever. So I saw this advertisement for MAC and they have like a whole little Cruella collection. They had makeup brushes, little black, they were pink, but they had black and white bristles. And then they had the eyeshadows, and then they had the lipsticks and that kind of thing. So I decided, I was like, well, I'd be interested in an eyeshadow palette. So I got an eyeshadow palette and I got a couple of lipsticks. So I'm gonna show you all what I have. And then we're gonna do, I think I'm probably gonna do some swatches for you guys or something like that. And then maybe put on some eyeshadow and then maybe do some blending or whatever. This right here is the eyeshadow palette. And hopefully that's not blurry, hopefully. Some days I'm like done with this camera. All right, so this is the eyeshadow palette right here. We're gonna open it up in just a second. So this one I got in a color, the color Queen of Mean. See if I don't see it. Queen of Mean. And I thought this color was like really pretty. It's like just a very basic kind of like nude. And this is a retro matte liquid lip color is what this is. So, and I like this top right here. I actually think that's really cute. And then it's also got on there Disney Cruella on it. No, I can see that. And then this one, I got this one in the color Sweet and Vicious. There we go, Sweet and Vicious. All right, did I have that upside down? I got that upside down. Sweet and Vicious. Yeah, really quick. And this one comes in this kind of packaging. So it's still got the black and white top on it, but the bottom is black. And it also has Disney Cruella on it. And this one, I'm gonna open it to reveal the color yet, but this one is just a matte lipstick. So it smells so good though. It smells really good. Okay, so, and I think these, when I picked them, I think their colors are pretty similar. So I'll just show you all the color of this one, since you all did see the color of that other matte liquid lipstick. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick swatch of these so you all can see what it looks like. So this first wipe that you all are gonna see is gonna be this lipstick. And then the second one is gonna be this liquid. If I can open it. I don't wanna mess my nails up, I just did them. Okay. And I think the colors, to me, the colors look pretty much the same, but maybe it'll be a little bit, oh, okay. All right, so looking at this swatch, this liquid lipstick here actually looks a little bit darker than the actual lipstick itself. First one is Sweet and Vicious, and then that second one is Queen of Mean. We're gonna talk about this palette really quick. Yeah, I think y'all can see them pretty good. Colors that they have is Gesol is this white color. Not sure that's how it's exactly pronounced. This black one down here, just called Carbon. This blue one right here, Chilling Like a Villain. This one up here, it's like a silver. It's called the Billionaire. This one is kind of like almost like a plum purplish color, and it's called Need for Tweed. Need for Tweed, sorry. And this one's kind of red. Kind of red there. It's called Cruel Love. And this one's almost like, I would say kind of like Fool's Gold. Like it's not actually gold. It's almost like a black, maybe like a black eyeshadow with like golden shimmers is how I would call it, or how I would describe it. And this one's called Sinister Shimmer. So I guess I'm right. So it's black with gold shimmers in it. This one, kind of like a beige and nude color here. And this one is Cruella to Be Kind. So, and I'm gonna pick you all up so you all can actually see this palette without me holding it. Just to keep the counters clean. So I'm putting paper towels down. So now we're just gonna do like a quick color swatch. Sorry, my arm's short, guys. All of them are really, really pretty colors. I feel like, you know, obviously I feel like if you already have makeup palettes at home, then some of these colors you would kind of already have. Out of all of them, my favorite one might be the purple one. Of course, it's kind of more of like, I feel like a collection piece for people, just because of the fact that, you know, you get limited edition things and people want to get it because it's like, oh, well, we don't know how long it's going to be released for. And you know, it's a special release and stuff, and a lot of people want to jump on it and be like the first one to get it. So normally when I do eyeshadows and I do blending, I normally only do 2 colors, but today we're going to try to do 3. So your foundation is going to be your eraser. So anything that I mess up or anything that I botch while doing this, we're gonna clean it up at the end. So I think that right there is pretty good. Now I feel like we're at a point where we can kind of blend some of the stuff in. So I'm just gonna take, and it used to be like, I used to be so bad at blending. Part of it, you know, which I'm sure that you all have heard, part of blending is having the right tools to do it. For a long time, I did not have a proper blending brush. I had eyeshadow brushes like these here. I've had a lot of these, but never actually a blending brush. And then when I actually bought this Morphe brush here to blend a couple years ago, and I actually tried to blend again, it was amazing. So it's definitely, as people say, it's definitely about the tools. It's not necessarily about knowing how to do it, but it's about having the right tools too. I add a little bit more red on this side. Funny faces. A little bit more black at the end. And then I'm gonna use this brush, another blending brush. I'm gonna use this one to kind of soften any like harsh lines in between the first 2 eyeshadows. So now I'm gonna put on my foundation, and then we're gonna go through like the regular steps of like putting on makeup, and it's gonna be really quick. The very last thing that I'm gonna do is to put on a lip. So I'm gonna use one of these. I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna use yet, just because these are like nude colors. I'm just gonna fast forward through this part and add some music for you all. All right, so next thing I have to see if I have eyeliner. If I have eyeliner, I'm gonna put it on now. All right, so hey everybody, I'm back. I cannot find, I don't know where my eyeliner is. So I am going to be using this angled liner brush right here. Hold on. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Eye Studio, this gel. When I first started doing eyeliner, quick story. So when I first started using this eyeliner, or eyeliner period, when I first started using eyeliner, I started using this gel eyeliner, and then I switched to the liquid. So as y'all can see, it's been used before. You can kind of see where it's been dug out a little bit, but I don't have any other options. I can't find my liquid eyeliner anywhere. So I'm gonna have to use this. This is a little bit old, so hopefully it works for today, because we gonna use it. I'm gonna lift you all up so you can see it better. That is the eyeliner right there. And I gotta clean up on this side. That's better. Okay, so let's see. That's this side, the other side. So not too shabby, right? So again, like, I am not in any way, shape, or form a makeup artist. I'm not trying to be a makeup artist at all. I do my makeup at home. I do it generally very basic. I don't do a lot of this fancy stuff that I'm doing for you all today. But you know, it's for entertainment. Yeah. Hallelujah. I'm gonna try this one and see how I feel about it. So this is Queen of Mean that I'm putting on. And maybe what I'll do, I'll try on both of these just so you all can see what they look like. So I'm gonna wipe this off really quick, and then we'll do Sweet and Vicious and see how that one looks. I'm just gonna do our lip liner again. This is the lipstick right here. How's that look? And I like the color a lot. To tell you the truth, I really do like this a lot better with this Night Moth MAC lip liner that I have. I like it a lot better with that. Whereas like right now you can't really see the lip liner because I did kind of go over it with the lipstick. But the lip liner will help to kind of keep it in place so it doesn't smudge as easily. But for this particular lipstick, I think I would like it a lot better with the lip liner actually showing around it, as opposed to just having this lipstick period and just having this be my lip for the day. And so now this video is over. I will see you all for the next video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Hope that you all like something about this video, whatever. If you find some parts of it comical, that's cool. If you find some tips in this video, that's even better. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting. I will see you all for the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'm out.